All right, let's get right into a wild story that just blew up last week. So this picture went totally viral over Easter. It supposedly showed a US pilot's dramatic rescue from Iran. People called it an Easter miracle. It was emotional, it felt real, and it just exploded online. But was it real? As millions saw it, fact-checkers started raising some serious red flags. First up, a classic AI mistake. You know, AI has a really tough time getting hands right. Then there's the uniform. A real photo just wouldn't have these kinds of weird placement errors. And other details, like the blurry background, were just off. The whole thing was completely fake, made by AI. And look, it was convincing. Even the governor of Texas shared it, thinking it was awesome. So this isn't just one fake photo. It's part of a huge new political playbook happening worldwide. The tech behind all this? It's called generative AI. And honestly, it's changing the whole game. The scary part? AI makes it super easy for anyone to create convincing fakes that spread instantly. And it's not just fake photos. This is becoming a full-on global disinformation war in elections everywhere. Take Argentina. In their last election, fake images were used to attack a political rival. In India, they actually used deepfakes to bring dead politicians back to endorse current candidates. Over in South Africa, deepfakes of Trump and even Eminem were used to endorse local parties. And in the UK, a deepfake video claimed the Prime Minister was forcing teens into the army. So the big question is, how do we fight all these fakes? Well, a counteroffensive is starting. The fight is coming from a few directions: new laws, tech companies stepping up, and fact-checkers. We're starting to see the first wave of regulations requiring campaigns to disclose their AI use. And our detection tools are getting pretty good. One gave that pilot photo a 99.9% chance of being fake. But it's getting way more complicated than just spotting a fake from a real photo, right? Now we have soft fakes. These aren't lies, but they're used to make candidates look more appealing. You know, this fancy new tech is really just making us ask the same old questions about persuasion. So, in an age of AI, who actually gets to define what's real? That's the question we're all facing.